Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I will show you how to roll back your camera driver on Windows 11 when a device stops working. Okay, and firstly, let's go over the simple standard rollback. So you can just press on Windows plus X, and then you go to Device Manager. Okay, and then in this list of devices, you can expand this window for more comfort. You need to find your cameras. In my case, I only have one camera. Then you go right click, and then you go to properties. Then you go to the driver, and then you press on this rollback driver button. As you can see, if it fails after updating, roll back to the previously installed driver. And now the important one, if this button is grayed out, I have a fix for you guys. So in the same driver tab, you need to just choose browse my computer for a driver. So just press on update driver, browse your computer for the driver. So of course, before you do this, you need to manually download the driver. So say you have something from Razer or from SteelSeries, right? I'm talking about the peripheral devices and not cameras. You get the idea. If you have a certain brand of a camera, you just search for its corresponding driver. You just type in a model or brand and search for a previous version of the drivers, download them as an archive to your computer or an installer, and then choose with this button. And then when you do this, this button actually won't be needed anymore because you're just using update driver and choosing the previous driver automatically. That's it for this video, guys. Enjoy, like and subscribe, and see you soon.